How's it going, guys? I'm Soul Survivor 610 coming back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review as well as an on-foot look at the KAWS 4s in the black colorway. So I'm a huge fan of KAWS, as you can probably see. I have like all the Uniqlo shirts, all the Peanut shirts. Still working on getting a gray pair of these, but anything that dude touches, I will probably buy. I really love his artwork. So as you can see, this isn't really the normal Jordan box. You have the two X's for eyes right there where the Jumpman would normally be. And if I turn this in the light, you can see all the different like cartoon gloves kind of wrapped around the entire box. And even on the bottom. I think it's sick. I love when collaborations do something extra, whether it's just like an extra pair of laces, they do something cool with the box or the wrapping paper, just something with the presentation to differentiate it from other pairs is something I look for in a pair of shoes. So I'll give you guys a look at the price tag. Not sure if you can see because of the light, but it says $350, size 11. So the retail on these is pretty high, but it's because they use better materials, almost like designer brand materials. I do have to say something though, these shoes were purchased off of StockX, and I just think that StockX is terrible. They did an awful job shipping these. I mean, the box is like low-key destroyed on the top. As you can see, there's creases and bumps and nicks everywhere. Right on the middle, right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like some sticker thing that got caught on the box. So, I mean, even when I got them as dead stock, the box was kind of destroyed. So, you know, props to you, StockX. So yes, these were purchased off of StockX. Like I said, this is the receipt. They were purchased for about $800. They run for about $1,000 now, so a little bit of a come up off of that. Some of the things that the shoe came with was this card. I don't even know what else to call it. It's actually pretty sturdy. It's not like cardboard. It basically just says that KAWS and Jordan collab on a pair of shoes. A little bit closer, you're definitely not gonna be able to read it. And then on the back, you have that classic, you know, cartoon glove print. These did come with a dust bag as well. So you have the double X's with the air on the one side, and then you have the cartoon gloves all over the other side. And then you have a little string right there. I don't really understand the use of dust bags. I have never ever once put my shoes in a like fabric bag to carry them, but like I said, it goes along with presentation. I think it's a nice touch. Even if I will never use it, I appreciate it. When you open up the box, you'll see that you have even special wrapping paper. It has the double X's with the air. But enough of the box and the wrappings, let's get into the shoes. So these are the KAWS 4s in the black colorway. They come with these little inserts. I'm just gonna throw this to the side. They also come with, you know, your basic shoe tree. Kind of hard to get it out. Nothing really special about these. Kind of wish that they did do something different like they do with like the retro 11s, you know, even if they were just plastic, just an extra little touch would have been nice, especially since these were $350. But these are the shoes. So hopefully my camera focuses. My camera has a really hard time recording and taking pictures of these shoes because the fact that they're just so dark, so matte black, but hopefully you can pick up the details. Yeah, they have a little StockX thing. They also come with this all leather hang tag, so that is a cool touch. It has the two black X's as well as the Jumpman on the back, but I really love this pair. It's probably one of my favorites in my collection now at this point. Definitely one of my most expensive pairs. You can really see that Jordan went like all out with the quality. The materials on this, I've never seen on like a pair of GRs or something like that. So when you start off, I'm gonna use this one actually since this one has tags and everything on it. When you start off looking at the shoe, if you can see, you're gonna start to see stitched cartoon hands all around the shoe. So it's his cartoon hands with the X's on them. That's pretty much the print for the entire shoe. It goes all the way around. Everything on the shoe is pretty much suede. You got really long hair suede right there and right there where the netting would usually be on a pair of 4s. So it's not a very breathable shoe. That is the one thing about this shoe. super sturdy, not breathable at all. It's like wearing a pair of Timberlands. Really hard to get your foot in, but the quality shows out. It's almost like they added a little bit of like wax to the laces. They have like some waxy laces, but they're not really waxy laces. It's kind of confusing. I don't really know how to explain it. And then even the midsole. So on a Jordan 4 midsole, you would expect like, I don't know what material it is, but painted over, kind of like cheap, almost plasticky, but not this. This is also a suede midsole. So it's not long hair like the netting is, but it's like the same material as the rest of the shoe. So nothing on this shoe is like plastic or rubber, except for obviously like the aglets and then the outsole. But the entire shoe is like suede, and then on the inside you have a super sturdy, you can hear that. You have like a super sturdy leather. If you look at it, it says Air Jordan right there. And then on this one, it says KAWS right there. So the one thing I wanted to show, because it wasn't picking up on camera, is the insole. As you can see, it has the Jumpman logo times KAWS size 11. I do have to say, I'm torn about what my favorite part of this shoe is. It's either the fact that they put the double X's with the air on the back instead of like where the Jumpman usually is. I think that is so cool. Or the glow-in-the-dark outsole. So as you can see, yes, these have been worn. I've worn them for shoots and stuff like that. But the cartoon gloves wraps around the bottom, and it's everywhere on the bottom. But these shoes glow super bright in the dark. You can almost see them in the daytime sometimes. Even through the wear, they still shine just like they're brand new. When I think about, are these shoes worth it compared to a lot of the other expensive shoes I bought, I definitely think they are. I mean, when you're considering things like, Yeezys or rare colorways of Jordans, I'm not talking like collaborations, I'm talking just like just colorways. I think it's worth it because you're gonna be paying like a lot of money for a pair of Yeezys when they're literally just all the same, just different colors. There's not really any thought being put behind it. At least that's what I'm seeing, because they just all look the same now at this point. Jordan's just gonna be pushing out all different colorways. Some of them are gonna be rarer than others, but they're all gonna be using pretty much the same materials. Jordan really doesn't go out of their way to give us great materials if it's not expected. I think that this pair has amazing materials. It is harder to wear. Like I said, it's super sturdy. It's not really flexible, but it's something that's going to last you a while. Like, just feeling the inside like leather on this shoe, like I said, I'm just getting Timberland vibes. And if you own a pair of Timbs, you know that you can just beat those things up. And I just like all the little details that, they added in this collaboration. All the stuff with the box, all the little details out in the shoe. Okay guys, so I gave you a little bit about the shoe, kind of talked about some of the details and stuff that I see on the shoe. Now I'm just gonna give you guys like a 360 view, show you all the little things that the camera was not able to pick up from this distance. And then after that, I'm gonna give you guys an on-foot look as well. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for getting me to 50 subscribers. I know it's not really a lot, but it's definitely a start. I'm already doing better than I thought I would at YouTube. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, check out my other videos. The links to my Twitter and Instagram are down in the description. Leave a comment, let me know what your favorite collaboration with Jordan is. And